Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can match data from two different sheets in Excel. So let's get started. Let's say we have two sheets, each containing a list of mobile numbers, and we want to check which numbers from the first sheet also exist in the second. To do this, we'll use the VLOOKUP function. In the first sheet, go to a new column and type =VLOOKUP, then select the mobile number you want to check. Add a comma, then go to the second sheet and select the full column of numbers. Add another comma, choose column 1, then add a comma and type false to look for an exact match. Close the bracket and press enter. If the number exists in the second sheet, Excel will return the value. If not, you'll see an error. Drag the formula down and you'll instantly know which numbers matched and which didn't. You can even use filters or conditional formatting to quickly highlight unmatched numbers for easier review. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.